What's up, guys? We're out here at this new pond. We're gonna go ahead and give it a shot before the crappie start biting. Hopefully the crappie start biting. Tonight, we're gonna hit 2 ponds and see if there's some crappie biting. Usually there's some crappie in there, so hopefully they're biting tonight. We're gonna try this pond out for a little bit, see what happens. Let's get it, baby. Ooh, wait. Got one, guys. Got one. Got a fish? Yeah, seems like something. Something's on it. Yeah. Yeah, there we go. Look at that. Oh, a bass, a little bass. Little bass, first fish of the day. Just a little guy. But we know there's fish in here now. My drag was way too loose. I was like, what's going on with this fish? I don't feel it. There we go, guys. A little guy took it. Thank you, buddy. Got one, guys. Got another one, guys. Oh, he got off. He got off. Way too loose on the drag. Wow. Way too loose on the drag. I don't know what that was, but he tore this thing up. Got one, guys. Got another one. There we go. There we go. Come here. You're all tangled up over here. Get over here. Bring the whole branch. There we go. Second bass. Little chunkster. Not bad. Not bad. On the little crappie jig with the new line. There we go. Nice little bass, baby. You can't beat that. Who's calling me while I'm fishing? I don't understand these people. That's a nice one. All right, guys, we're at the second pond. That one was pretty good. It was new to me. It wasn't too bad. So we're gonna see what this one can do. Hopefully some. Shut off the camera for a second, guys, and look who talked to crappie jig. Beautiful, beautiful black crappie. We're gonna let him go real quick. See if we can find some more. He kind of choked it, so trying to see if we can get this out without getting the pliers out, but I don't know. Oh. Yeah, there we go, baby. Let's see. All right, guys. Beautiful black crappie. We're gonna stay around here a little longer, just see if we can find some more. Thanks for biting, buddy. Beautiful rock. There he goes. Whee! All right, guys, the crappie might be out already. We got one. See if we can find another one. Oh, got another one. Another crappie, I think. Yep. Beautiful crappie. Beautiful black crappie, baby. Oh, way! All right, guys, about to let this guy go real quick. Pop it out, pop it out. Come on, bro. There we go, beautiful black crappie going back. Thanks for biting, bud. So we're just gonna keep going up and down this bank for about 10 more minutes. See if they're still, if they get hot. Hotter. We already got 2 in like 2 minutes, so. Come on, guys. Ooh, guys. They are hitting like crazy. Ooh. Yeah, the crappie are out here, bro. They are fired up with this weather. They just hit again. Big hit, bro. That was a good crappie. We gotta get back out there. What? That was a good hit, dude. That was a really good hit. They're out here, they're pushed up. No need to leave if they're hitting like this. Oh yeah, got another one, guys. Another crappie. They are out here, bro. This is the biggest one so far. Let's go, they're out here, guys. They're out here. These are my fave, yep. Beautiful, beautiful black crappie on the jiggy. Let's go, baby. Guys, these crappie are on fire right now. Another beautiful black crappie going back. Thank you, buddy. Let's go. Wow. Oh, got another one, guys. Oh, that's a bass. That's a bass. Is that? Yeah, that's a bass. Let's go. Nice little bass, baby. Let's go. I got a nice little bass. Took the crappie jig. Thanks for biting, buddy. These guys are just fired up today, man. Hopefully we can find some more crappie though. That's what we're targeting today. This is what we're after. Man, the action continues, bro. The action continues. We live for days like this where these crappie are out here. Come on. There's gotta be some more. A little deeper, a little deeper. This new line is working great. Oh, another one, guys. Is that a crappie? Be a crappie, be a crappie, be a crappie, be a crappie. Yes, it's another crappie, baby. It's Crappie Fest, baby, with Rosario Fishing. Let's go, another beautiful crappie. Smaller guy, but we love him, baby. Ooh-wee! All right, guys. That's another black crappie. See you, bud. Let's go. Now we need a big one. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. Just give me a giant now. Just give me a giant. Oh, man. Just give me a giant. Now I just need a giant. Big old black crappie. I know I got hit by a big black crappie before. It was a big thump. Wow. These guys are fired up, bro. Fired up. And I'm fired up too because of it. That's what. We'll take anything, but we want mostly crappie. Oh, I got another one. What is that? What is that? I think that's a crappie. Is that a good crappie? I think that's a good crappie. Is it a bass or a crappie? Beyond. What is that? Bass. There we go. Another one. Throw this back quick. Thanks for biting, buddy. What about over here? Oh, got another one, guys. Come on, be a crappie, be a crappie, be a crappie. I think that is yep, it's a crappie, a nice one. Let's go. Bro, we are just crappie fishing today, boys. Killing the game. Let's go, another crappie, baby. Beautiful crappie. Bro, I'm going infinite on the crappie today, bro. Infinite mode, bro. Beautiful. Thank you for biting, bud.